Check it. It's the AZN, nigga, fuck the rest. Dallas to New York, nigga, we the best. Vietnam to Japan to Mongolia, Philippines to Taiwan to Cambodia, Korea. Hometown China, who you got, huh? You got shit, nigga, feel the size. It's the AZN, better recognize. Got rice, bitch, got rice. Got food, got soup, got spice. Got brains like us, got skills like us. Got cars, got clothes, got girls like us. What's up? We the shit and we'll kill y'all fools. We got money in the bank from my family jewels. Can we help it if we raid and corrupt the schools? It don't matter, fuck the law, shit, we break the rules. We jack cars, pop games, so we got the tools. Hoop it up, break it down, then we shoot some pool. Fuck with me, you fuck with our bitch, so think it's cool. One-on-one, fuck that is 3-on-1, no rules. Got rice, bitch, got rice. Anything you can show that is nice. Got cash, got moves, got thoughts like us. Fuck no, hell, you weak, you'll never be like us. Take off your shoes before you end up, please. Or crawl around on the floor with your fucking knees. Don't mind the smell, you'll get used to it. Mothballs, dry squid, and that Buddha shit. What the hell is that? You think I don't see? No forks in the house, chopsticks only. Have a taste, don't be scared, try the lemon tea. You don't want it, that's alright, it's not a duck all week.